Hey friends, Chad here once again with another installment of On the Clock Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to take a look at one of the most important and useful sections in On the Clock, the Timecards page. In this video, we're going to break down all of the options on the page, including how to read the page, how to filter, and how to edit the view for your business. We'll even take a deep dive into the many export options that you have for your timecards. If you have any questions on this page, please just leave a comment below and our friendly support team will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks and enjoy!
In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your employee timecards from the mobile app. So first you'll want to log into your On the Clock account and go ahead and tap on the timecards. You'll want to go ahead and tap on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner. Now you'll want to go ahead and select the employee and then select the date as well. Enter the number of hours that the employee worked in the override hours section. Go ahead and press save. Alternatively, you can enter in the exact times that the employee worked by clicking on the punch. Select the employee again. Choose the date. If you do add punch, you'll go ahead and be greeted with the option to add in the exact times that the employee worked. Once everything looks good, go ahead and press save. Go ahead and confirm that everything is good once more, and you can see the total number of hours have been added to your employee time card. If you have any other questions, feel free to live chat with us or send us an email at support@ontheclock.com.